Okay, so this video is going to show you how to navigate the New House Church website and also how to post and edit any parts of the website that you want to. So once you click on the link to get to the website, what I recommend is bookmarking it. And that's different in every web browser. So in Chrome, all you have to do is up here in the URL bar, you click this little star. And you can change the title of the bookmark if you want to, but it comes up with the name of the website, which is just Independence HC for House Church. And then you can just click done and it'll add that to your bookmarks. So over here, I'm going to find mine and I'm going to move it up so that it's on my main bar right here. So anytime I want to go back to it, I can just click this little icon and it'll take me straight to the page and I won't have to type in the website. So you'll also notice that when you come to the website, on the home page and on every page you click on thereafter, you'll have this little white bar up here. It's got a pencil, a little page with a plus sign, a gear, and a share button. So those are how you're going to edit the site no matter where you are. So you'll see here on the home page, there's just a little summary with a couple of the most recent posts down below, and also a place for you to comment and a place for the most recent comments. So this is kind of just the summary page. The next tab is the news and reminders tab. And this is where you can post if you want to. There's a button here that says new post. So let's pretend we want to write a new post. So I just click there and it will come up with this. So once it loads, you can title your post. So let's title this video post example. And then you can type whatever you want right here, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you can add files to your post with this button down here. So if there is a particular spreadsheet that you want to add or a particular document or a picture, you can add any of those by clicking the Add Files button. And when you're finished, you want to come up here to this blue button. This part's really important. And you want to click Save. So Google will automatically save this every couple of minutes. But when you're finished, you really want to click Save, and that's when it will publish the post. So my post has been published. And here you can see people can comment on it down below. So if we go back to the News and Reminders tab, there's my post that we just made right here. So it will show up on this News and Reminders tab for everyone to see. The next tab is the events calendar. I am in charge of the house church calendar, or well, I made it. So I'll take care of adding events. And if you want one added to it, just go ahead and let me know and I'll put it on there. So looks like I might have to do some work here. It's not showing up exactly, but all of the gatherings should be listed on the Wednesdays here, and things like the Imperfect Art event would be listed there, or Courtney's shower would be listed there. So normally you could come here and see all the events that we've got going on. The next tab is the Ministries tab. So here's where you can get information on all the ministries that we're taking care of. So if you are wanting to know what is still needs to be bought for the Operation Christmas Child, you can come here and we have the spreadsheet posted here. So you could just click open this spreadsheet and it'll open that for you. I went ahead and put the Missions Cafe schedule on here. So if you need to know who's working when, or you want to remember when you're working, you can check there. And any other sort of missions or ministry things that we start doing, we can post, associated descriptions and documents right here. Our gatherings tab is just a place where we can put addresses and places that we gather. If, for example, you want to edit this page, maybe you want to change the Thursday meetings. Maybe the men decide to start meeting on Fridays instead. In order to edit any page, you would want to click this pencil button. So it will load the editor. And so now kind of the maps disappear. It kind of takes on a more unofficial look here. So if you wanted to change, maybe you want to say Thursdays except the first of every month. So whatever you want to change, go ahead and change it. You can add a Google map. You can add a Google document. You can add a picture. You can add lots and lots of different things by up here on the top left, this insert tab. So you can insert an image, a link, a subpage listing, and some of this stuff gets kind of complicated. So it depends on how, internet savvy you are, but you can add any of these sorts of things to the page that you need to. You can also, change italics, underline, all those basic editing things. You can change the size of the font. You can change the font. There's a very limited number of fonts, but you can change it. Here's just a quick way to add a link. You can add numbers, bullet points, change the orientation, etc. So again, same thing. Once you're finished, you're going to want to click save. So I'm going to delete that. But then you'll just click save. And then it will come back. It will save your changes. It will update the site, and it will come back to where you were. So the directory part, here's how you will add yourself to your directory, our directory. This one, again, you can click the edit page, but it's much easier just to click add item. And here you will put your name, your phone number, your email, and then you would click save, and it would show up on our list. So that one's pretty easy. And then you can go back home. And again, if you wanted to edit our homepage, if something strikes your fancy that you want to add to our history, you are more than welcome to do that just by clicking that little pencil, and that will allow you to edit. And don't forget to click save at the end. So edit page using the pencil. If you want to just post something, come over to the news and reminders tab and click new post, and make sure you add your name, your phone number, and your email to our directory so we can all learn how to get in touch with each other. And of course, if you need any help with any of this, or I'm not making any sense at all, you can always get in touch with me, and I will help you out as best I can.